Your Dexcom ONE sensor lasts for 10 days. Your Dexcom ONE app alerts you 24 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, and 30 minutes before your sensor automatically expires. To replace your Dexcom ONE sensor, the first thing you need to do is remove your sensor and transmitter. Take the edge of the adhesive patch, peel the adhesive and the transmitter up and away from your body like a bandage. Now, remove the transmitter from the holder. To remove the transmitter, push down on the lip and break the wide end of the transmitter holder. Pull the transmitter out of the holder. Keep the transmitter to use with your next sensor. You will reuse your transmitter for up to 3 months. After you remove your sensor and transmitter, tap Start New Sensor in App. You will be prompted for a new sensor code. Take a new sensor and enter the code by taking a picture. Now you need to insert your new sensor and attach your current transmitter. If you need a refresher on sensor insertion, review the in-app instructions or reference your printed instructions for use. Within the app, confirm you have inserted your sensor and attached your transmitter. Then start your sensor warm-up. Your warm-up will take 2 hours to complete. There are times you might want to end your sensor session early. To stop your sensor session before it automatically expires, tap Settings, then tap Stop Sensor Session. Remember, you must always stop your sensor in the app before removing your sensor and transmitter. Your new sensor is now ready to keep you in the know.